Hello guys, how are you? So today in this topic we are going to talk and we are going to change our perception about beauty. You need to understand everything that exists in this world is beautiful. There is nothing like good and there is nothing like bad. Everything which exists in this world is beautiful. But what happens is that someone has made you to believe that what is beautiful and what is ugly. Someone has made you to believe what is good and what is bad. Someone has made you to form your beliefs and opinions about beauty, good and bad, nice and bad. All these opinions are formed from the outside world. So, you have taken and imbibed these opinions of someone and you have defined your own ways to understand beauty and ugliness. So, where is this beauty actually lying? It is actually lying in your own head. Okay. Beauty has now become only a belief of you. Okay. It is only a belief which is making you to say that someone is beautiful or someone is not. So, if I talk to most of the people, they are struck with their own beliefs of beauty and ugliness. Okay. And this concept is actually holding them back. They are unable to take decisions. They are unable to understand what is actual beauty and what is not. In this world, when you remove the opinions of others from your mind, you know that there is nothing like beauty or ugliness. If you remove the underlying beliefs of beauty and ugliness which are formed inside your brain, you will understand there is nothing which is not a beautiful thing which is lying in this world. For example, what happens if you live your life with a concept of beauty? For example, you have formed certain opinions in your life that beauty is like this, your youth is beautiful, and you feel that, being fair is beautiful, having long hair is beautiful. If you believe that, having a muscular body is beautiful, if you have these opinions, what will happen? Over a period of time, you also age. Okay, aging is happening. Today you are 20 years and over a period of time you become 30 years and you will have a belly, you will have a fat body, everything is coming up and you may become darker, your complexion may become darker. What will happen is that over a period of time you will start rejecting your own body. Okay, because you have formed certain opinions about beauty in your mind. What you will say that beauty should be like this and ugliness should be like this, and what will happen is that you will see your own body as an ugly representation of yourself. So do you think this is the right thing which is happening with on you? You will start rejecting your own body, you will start rejecting yourself, you will start rejecting your own image about yourself. So what will happen is that there will be a lack of confidence, there will be a lack of feeling good, there will be a lack of feeling joy for yourself, there will be a lack of feeling happy for yourself. You will not be happy looking at you. Oh, you will always be looking at the mirror and you will be looking like this. All these things will happen because there is at one point of time you have not accepted your own body. Now you start doing crash diets. Now you're applying all the face creams on your body. What you will do is that you will apply all those things which will make you to believe, yes, you are beautiful. Yes, you are strong. People go to gym, because they do not accept their body as it is. They are already agile, they are already flexible and they want to do it. Why people do it, all those things? Because they have formed certain opinions about beauty. They formed opinion about their six pack. They form opinion about, having a curly long hair. So what is this? These are actually learned from outside. Okay. So you cannot actually lie on these opinions because things are changing. Things are changing over a period of time. So a self-rejection will actually encounter, at one point of time, you'll have to face a lot of self-rejection of your concepts which you have formed about beauty and ugliness, your concepts which are formed about what is sad and what is worry and what is all those good and bad things. So what I want you to tell you that even an old man is beautiful. Even an old woman is beautiful. A small kid, a baby is beautiful. A young woman is also beautiful. A young boy is also beautiful. Beauty should be an ornament of your heart. See, if you have a power to control your own dream, the dream which you are dreaming will become magnificent image. It will become an art in itself. So now it depends on you on how to define the beauty. Okay, it depends on you to unlearn all the concepts which you have learned about beauty and now to live a new life and understand that beauty is all inside you. You are vibrant. You're already powerful. You're already beautiful. You're already, an attractive person. And the people and the things around you are already beautiful. So don't carry all those old definitions of beauty. Don't carry the definitions of someone else on beauty, and try to unlearn those things from today and see the world around with an open eyes and open heart, and you will find that already things are beautiful. This river is beautiful, the air which is flowing is beautiful, you are beautiful, I am beautiful, everything is beautiful around you. So catch up, guys. Let us relive our life with your new experiences. Let us relive our life with the new thoughts and new perceptions and new ideas. Don't get into a framework of loop of the thoughts and ideas which are actually projected from the society, and live a life of your own and be happy and stay vibrant. Catch up, guys. This is Umakant, your life coach. Will see you up in my next videos. Bye, guys.